Okay guys, sometimes you get equations and it doesn't look like y equals mx plus b and we need it to. So have a look at what you've got and what you need to do. So we've got 2y equals 6x plus 10 and we only want 1y. So because we've got double y, why don't we go ahead and halve it? So if I'm going to halve that, I better halve this as well. Because you can't halve one side without halving the other. So that's good because now that's gone and I've just got y equals, well, what's half of 6x? 3x. And what's half of 10? 5. So now I've got it in the y equals mx plus b formula, and then m equals 3 in this instance and b equals 5. Let's have another example. This will help you do the ones in the sheets. Let's say you've got y minus 4 equals 2x plus 1. Once again, doesn't start with y equals, and I want y equals. That minus 4 is a bit annoying. How do I undo that? Well, let's add 4, but can't do it to one side without doing it to the other. So that's a good thing that I've done it to this side. It's now gone. I'm just left with y equals 2x plus adding 4 to that side gives me 5. And there you have it. For that one, m would be 2 and b is 5. Let's do another example. Let's say I've got 3x plus y equals 7. Well, that 3x is a bit annoying, isn't it? Because we want to start with y equals. So let's minus it off. Minus 3x off this side, minus 3x off that side. So good, that's gone. I'm left with just y equals, now you can't take x's off numbers, so you can't go 7 minus 3x and think it's 4x because it's not. It's not 7x, it's just 7. So I can't do anything about that. You don't put things together unless they're in the same family. And x's and numbers aren't in the same family, so I've just written them separately. So look at that, m equals minus 3 and b equals 7. How are you going with that? Last example. This one's the hardest one. So let's say I've got 2x minus 4y plus, I don't know, 5 equals 0. I'm just making it up. Now look at that. Y is kind of lost in the jungle there. So what are we going to do? You know what I'm going to do? I'm actually going to add 4y to both sides. I'll tell you why. You watch me do this. It gets the whole 4y out of there, leaving behind the 2x plus 5, and puts it on the other side. Well, that's good. The only thing now that's annoying is the 4. So what's the opposite of timesing y by 4 is dividing y by 4. So now I'm going to divide both sides by 4. So let's do it. So that's good. That's now gone. And that's left me with just y by itself equals, well, look at this here. See that 2 on 4? That's the same thing as a half, isn't it? So that's a half x plus 5 on 4. Can't do a lot about 5 on 4. We normally like to write it the other way around, don't we? So from that, m equals a half and b equals 5 on 4. That's probably the hardest one you'll get. So if you can handle that, you can handle anything. Have fun with your sheets. I'm having fun up in Mudgee, I hope. I hope you're having fun here at school. Bye.